my everything. Oh Lord, use me. Oh Lord, use me. Yeah, to the ends of the earth I will run, screaming at the top of my lungs of your glorious ways, of your love and your grace. You gave up your life so I'd be free, free abundantly. And the least that I could do is offer myself to you, myself to you.